Now, your first alert weather.
You've seen the clouds building this afternoon and evening, and we're picking up on some light snow showers, mostly flurries and cloud cover. We're not really seeing anything significant just quite yet, but more snow on the way as we get into tomorrow. Rain and snow on the way for Thursday and Friday with warmer temperatures inbound as we turn our weather pattern to the west and the southwest. That will bump up our highs into some warmer categories here, and we're actually going to be looking to see more of that wintry mix as we roll through the rest of this week, even through the weekend. So here's a look at the satellite radar loop. You got cold air behind this front, but ahead of the front you got all this wet weather coming in here, and the flow of our pattern will start to shift to the southwest. As it does so, our temperatures increase. We also pull in a higher snow level because we're going to be bringing in more rain in snowy conditions across the Snake River Plain, more rain than snow, I should say, by areas of the afternoon. So we go to the Wednesday afternoon here. We're going to be stuck with some passing snow showers, and the temperatures warm up on Thursday and Friday as we pull in some of that milder air. And as we go to the Vipercast tonight, I want to show you that tonight we're bringing in the showers to western and central Idaho with snow on the move by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, it's going to get into central and western Idaho, and then it's going to start to filter into eastern Idaho throughout the day, especially as we get into the afternoon hours. You'll notice, though, I put the wind arrows in here, and I put that in there for a very important reason. You see this little spot of dry weather? Well, that's thanks to some downsloping winds, the winds coming off those mountains of southern Idaho. Notice how Pocatello, Burley, and Twin Falls are staying relatively dry in this Vipercast, and it's pushing the snow to the north into Sun Valley and into the upper Snake River Plain and the Snake Highlands. Well, that's why Pocatello, again, will probably not see a ton of snow out of this system. We'll get some precipitation around Pocatello. Yeah, there'll be some passing showers, but the bulk of that wet weather is going to be thrust north into the mountains and parts of the upper valley. So we're going to be dealing with passing snow showers here. And then as we warm things up on Thursday afternoon, we'll see some green starting to get in here, a rain-snow mix, and you can start to see even some of that rain getting into Pocatello, from Pocatello up to Rexburg. Even parts of the upper valley start to warm up well above freezing here for Thursday and Friday. More wet weather swinging out of the southwest. We'll keep our temperatures elevated during the day, but cold at night. So we're going to be walking that tightrope between rain and snow in the Snake River Plain. Along for the ride, some gusty winds. We'll get some good snow in our local mountains, especially into central Idaho and up to the Snake Highlands. That's why the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Island Park and a winter storm warning for Haley, Sun Valley, and up towards Stanley. For the rest of us, though, in the upper valley, we have a winter weather advisory. And again, with those downsloping winds, you can see where the Weather Service has cut off the winter weather advisory at the Bingham County line. And you go south of that, you're not expected to see a ton of precipitation, but we do expect to get some snow in here to Blackfoot, and I'll show you here on the Vipercast. So we start to get that snow into central Idaho, 2 to 4 inches in Sun Valley Wednesday morning, tomorrow morning, and then as we go throughout the day tomorrow, we start to pick up on a few inches of snow in the upper valley. We'll get 1 to 2 inches possibly in Blackfoot by Thursday morning, but we're still looking about an inch or less in Pocatello. Here's a look at those wind speeds just to show you also what we're fighting here. We're going to get those strong winds out of the south, and again, that's going to really bump up those temperatures when you have wind speeds above 20 miles an hour. Highs around 30 for Montpelier, 32 in McCammon, 27 in Lava Hot Springs. Rexburg's at 28, 28 for St. Anthony, 27 in Island Park, with highs in central Idaho at 31 for Chalice, 28 in Ketchum, with numbers in Idaho Falls at 34, 38 for Pocatello, 36 in Burley. Yeah, well above freezing there for many spots around the lower Snake River Plain. Here comes the wind, here comes the wet weather. Idaho Falls getting well into the 40-degree range for Thursday afternoon, with highs in the upper 30s, low 40s for Friday. Gusty winds starting to die down for Saturday. It looks like it's going to calm down for the weekend, but we'll have just a slight chance of a leftover snow shower on Saturday. Pocatello, 38 for the high tomorrow, 44 with rain and snow showers Thursday and Friday. Overnight lows drifting back into those mid to lower 30s. We'll see highs in the upper 30s on Saturday with a mostly cloudy sky. Blackfoot, 35 for tomorrow, 42 for Thursday and Friday, mid 30s in there for Saturday. Some scattered showers coming to an end by the weekend. Couple spotty sprinkles next week. Rexburg, 37 for the high on Thursday and Friday, with highs around 30 on Saturday. Gusty winds all the way around as we close out this work week. And Salmon, not as windy as the Snake River Plain, but you'll have some passing snow and rain showers there as well, just not as prevalent as like areas near Sun Valley and areas to the south. 30 degrees for Wednesday afternoon in Salmon, 34 for Thursday and Friday, with highs into the 30s this weekend. Jackson, snow coming through tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, with highs around freezing for Thursday afternoon. Gusty winds. Things begin to calm down for the weekend, so if you have a snowboard or a couple of skis and you want to get on the slope and try